Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will resume our discussion of chapter 3 synthetic fiber and plastic. Part 2 we will study today. In part 1 we studied about synthetic fiber in part 1. The types of fiber we studied over there: polyester, nylon, rayon, acrylic also, and we studied about their advantages, uses, as well as disadvantage also. In this particular part we will study about plastic and its types as well as its harmful effects to the environment. Okay, let's continue our discussion. Plastic. Okay, let's try to find out the definition or try to understand the concept of plastic. Okay, plastic is any of the wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic solids that are moldable. Plastic are typically organic polymer of high molecular mass, but they often contain other substances. They are usually synthetic, most commonly derived from the chemicals. Okay, but many are partially natural also. You can see in the pics also different plastic objects are shown over there. Plastic bottles are shown over there. You can see a compact disc is over there, another stopwatch is over there. So many plastic items in our daily life also. We cannot manage our work without using plastics. Okay, let's go further. Types of plastic. In this we will study about. There are two types of plastic. One is thermoplastic, other is thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic, also known as thermosoftening plastic, is a polymer that become pliable or moldable above a specific temperature and returns to a solid state upon cooling. The one thing about the thermoplastic is they can be given a desired shape at a particular temperature, and they can be given the shape again and again. We can reuse them. This is the good thing about thermoplastic. Okay, and whenever you can see in images also thermoplastic. Some images of are shown over there. You can see the binding, the wire that is used in binding roll is also over there. So whenever you will stretch thermoplastic and when you release it again, it will come back to its original shape. Okay, let's move further. Thermosetting plastic, second type of plastic it is. In thermosetting plastic, we can also understand by its name also. Thermosetting, setting means once it is given a shape, it cannot be changed again, it cannot be recycled again. Okay, thermosetting at a particular temperature. thermos uh, Thermosetting plastic, also known as thermoset, is a polymer material that irreversibly cures. Okay, the cure may be done through heat, generally about the temperature is over there to about 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degree Fahrenheit, through a chemical reaction, two-part epoxy for example, or irradiation such as electron beam processing. Okay, you can see in images also the handle of utensils. Okay, you can see the cover also. You can see an old telephone set is over there, landline telephone set is over there. Once they are given a particular shape, it is not possible to change the shape of these kind of plastics. This is the main drawback of them. Okay, so the plastic, uh, among the two types of plastic, the better one is thermoplastic for the purpose of recycling. Okay, let's go further. Be alert, melamine cancer. If you can eat in a melamine plate, you may become a victim of melamine cancer. Okay, melamine is a type of thermosetting plastic and they are non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means they will remain as it is if you will try to find out them after 200 or more years. The amazing fact about them is they will not degrade themselves. Okay, while eating, when we scratch the plate with the spoon, the melamine coating also goes into our body, which may cause cancer. Check under your plate whether melamine made is written or not. Use bone china, glass, steel plate instead. Okay, in this particular era of fashion or modernization, we are running behind the Western culture and we are leaving our own culture, and in that we are compromising with our health also. Okay, so don't use the melamine made plates. You can use steel plates, bone china plates also. The glass plates also can be used over there for being a better health, keeping our health in a better way. Okay, plastic harm to environment. Plastic is very much harmful to environment. We all know about this. Say no to plastic campaigning was also done earlier, in the last year, not earlier. Okay, and plastic free. There are so many slogans. Or government is also investing large amount of money for stopping this, but I don't think so. It can be controlled in near future because so many things those are being packed into the plastic or polythene bags, and they after use will be thrown here and there, and they are very much harmful to the environments as well as also for human health also. Plastic have transformed modern society, providing attractive benefit but also befalling waterways and aquifers, depleting petroleum supplies and disrupting human health. In simple words, if you will eat a kurkure or a chips, and then after eating that, if you will throw the wrapper here and there, after eating chocolate, you will throw the wrapper here and there. After eating other things, those are packed in, for example, milk is packed these days in polythenes. Okay, so other things also, they are very much harmful to environment. We all know they are non-biodegradable, and if they will not degrade, they will remain as it is, and they will, when if you try to burn them, they will produce harmful gases, and it will be quite harmful for the health of human beings. Okay, so say no to plastic. Follow this concept of 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Our first priority should be there to reduce the use of plastic, and if we are having in such a situation we cannot avoid it, then try to use it again and again, and when it is not in such a stage to reuse it again, then try to recycle it. Okay, I would like to add two more R's over here apart from these 3 R's, and then you can easily understand the concept. 3 R's instead of 3 R's, it will be 5 R's. I would like to add two more, that is rethink and refuse also. by rethinking or by refusing, it may be possible that we will be able to avoid the use of plastic. Okay, so if you have still any query, any doubt, you can ask from me. Okay, so what we studied in this particular class, we studied about plastic, we studied about types of plastic, therm thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic we studied about, that is the plastic that can be recycled again and again, can be given desired shape, melting at a particular temperature. Thermosetting plastic, once it will given a shape, it will cannot be used again. So, and the harmful effects of plastic to the environment also we studied in the same class. So thank you so much for listening me peacefully and interestingly. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. We will resume our session with the part 3 of this chapter. Till then, keep reading your books. Try to try to explore more and more about plastic and its alternative ways also. Thank you so much. Have a good day.